Everybody, welcome to the Cute Girls Can Cook edition. All right, let's get started with this roast. Okay, right here you see me mixing up my roux, and the roux is pretty much cornstarch, water, and some browning. Browning helps with the taste and with the color. I'm about to take and pull my roast. Oh, look at that, baby. It's just falling apart. I'm pulling it apart just like you do pulled pork with 2 forks, and I'm just spreading that all out. I'm going to add this full stick of butter with my potatoes. Oh, my carrots and green peppers and onions. Yes, y'all, this meal right here is about to be on point. I was debating about the rice. I changed my mind. I tasted it and it tastes amazing. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm actually going to mix it up just a little bit. So you're gonna see me mix it. Oh, look at that. Let's get a little closer. Can I get a little close up, ma'am? Excuse me. Can you bring the camera a little closer? Oh, you want to take pictures? Okay. Let's let her take pictures real quick, and then she's gonna bring us a little closer, hopefully. Ma'am, excuse me? Thank you. That's what I'm looking for. Yes. Come through carrots. Come through potatoes. Y'all see them green peppers? We eat with our what first? Class, say it. Eyes. You eat with your eyes. And this right here is scrumptious, and it looks amazing. Look at that gravy, you guys. It's not as thick as I want it to be just yet, because when you make your roux, you want to put it back in the oven or put it back on the stove so that it can boil. Ooh, put that down, girl. Put that down. Ooh, put that down. Don't hurt nobody. Okay, so I'm just going to take that, and I'm just going to slide it back in the oven, and I'm going to leave the cover off, and let's get to the cabbage. Okay, so you guys, I'm just plucking off the edges. It's already been pretty much prepped, so I'm just going to cut that up really good, and I'm going to clean it, and then I'm going to take it and place it inside my pot, and that is going to be that for the cabbage. Now, when you're making cabbage, you want to take and cover your bottom. This is fried cabbage, by the way, my grandma style. So you take your cabbage and you fry it with water at the bottom, and then maybe about 2 inches of water, cooking oil or olive oil, as you see me use. And then I just used some salt and pepper, and I just seasoned it to taste, which I'm an eyeballer, girl. Eyeballs. You want to mix it up, cover it up, and then boom, leave it. You come back, you check it after some time, and you want to make sure that it's done, whatever. And then you just add your rolls, and y'all, look at that. Anda para atrás, tra, tra.